Tim Moore here with TLC Pressure Washing, and we're out at this house. We haven't been here in a couple of years, but the interesting thing, and one of the reasons why I'm going to show you that I pre and post treat is what I'm standing on right now. Technically, this concrete really didn't need to be done. The back had some mold because of the moisture that gets trapped, and also the fact that it's shaded. But here, right here, this is how dirty it is. This is clean, this is still dirty. That's it, that is it. But if you look at it, it looks very even. The sidewalk definitely hardly doesn't look like it's got anything on it. But you know, they just wanted it taken care of and brightened up and looking nice for Christmas time. So that's why we're here, and we're going to take care of all this. We're going to do this again and all of this and take care of it. But this is the reason why I post treat, because this is the reason why I want it to last a long time. I want it to look good a long time, and them not to call us back but every few years. And this could have gone another year or two before it got to looking bad. But you know, that's what the customer wants. But anyway, that's the reason why you pre-treat, clean well, and then post-treat. This, no striping, no lines, no tracker marks from the spinner, nothing. It looks really evenly dirtying, and quite honestly, that's more of the pour than it is dirt, as you can tell, because there's not much dirt. But I'll take care of it for them. They'll be happy, I'm happy, everybody's happy. Tim Moore, have a good day and be happy.